Hi, Navar from Via RV here, bringing you our custom 2020 Mercedes Sprinter van. This is equipped with the Fiamma F80S awning, which we'll get over and do an opening in a minute here. This is your Freshwater Connect. This is only for filling the fresh tank. There is no city water hookup for this one. It has a 10-gallon onboard fresh tank. It's for potable water only. We work around the back here. We got the spare tire holder because that's where the gray tank is. It's a full 20-gallon gray tank, and that will be dumped right at this location with the standard 3-inch RV sewer hookup. Moving on to our shore power here. This is a 30-amp twist lock, standard shore power cord. Insert the twist lock in, hold it, and twist the ring until it threads on. And then go ahead and plug it into the wall, 30-amp power, or get an adapter for 50, up to 50, or down to 15 like we're supplying you with today. Moving forward, we're going to go open the awning here. Be sure to open this awning when the door is closed, otherwise it can nick the paint on the top of the door there. Never open it when it's raining or extremely windy out, and if you guys are going to be gone for a little bit, then definitely put it away. So you'll take, this is manual awning. You'll take your hook and handle and loop it in right there in the eyelet on the upper left side of this Fiamma awning. And then all you do is just twist. Bring it out to your desired length, and then come over here and I'll show you how to open the arms up and take them out and stake them in the ground. Stakes are inside, so these arms just lock in right on the middle. Just pop them out of there while holding the whole arm at once. Bring this spin joint out all the way, and then you can spin it around, otherwise you can break these. Bring the inner arm down. Bring it up to your desired height and twist the knob, the tension knob, to hold it in place. Then you're welcome to stake it on the ground. Same with the other side here. Pop it out from the middle first, then come to the far end. Get it to come out. And you can spin it around again. It's always better with two people. Two people working at this all at once makes it nice and easy. That is how you set up your Fiamma 80S awning. And then to put it back, it's just the reverse order. Hold the arm, loosen up your twist and torque knobs, slide the arm up and in, bring it down, let it articulate and swing back up, push in the outer edge, lock in the middle. Go over that again. Hold the arm firmly. Undo your knob. Come down gently. Put the arm in. Swing her around. Push the outside in. And then the middle. You can feel free to twist these knobs now for travel. Bringing it back in, nice and simple. Hook through the eyelet, and then the reverse order. All the way up until it's nice and snug and you're ready for travel. All right, so let's go inside. Fire extinguisher in case things get messy. Follow me. The awning holder, a little eyelet up above the Murphy bed here. Goes through the eyelet, and then the back of the handle just gets Velcroed in place. Alright, so let's go over the electrical in this van. We have two 180 watt solar panels on the top, made by Renogy, as well as the 30 amp Renogy solar controller, which is going to display your battery voltage and when it's inputting voltage from the solar panels for you. Alright guys, so down here we have the AC/DC distribution panel. This is going to house all your 120 vac breakers. That'll be on this side, and all your 12 volt DC fuses on this side. Main battery disconnect right here. Use that if you guys are leaving for an extended period of time, or you just want to kill power to the batteries, or you're feeling lazy and you don't want to turn the lights off manually. And then over here we have the Ames power controller. This is for the 2500 watt inverter that you guys are equipped with. And then you have a inverter on and a power save option, or auto mode, which it'll go ahead and draw as little battery voltage from the two lithium batteries that are housed under this Murphy bed here, and only supply really what's needed. And putting this switch into the middle will turn the inverter off for you. The inverter in this van is an Ames Powers 2500 watt inverter, and it is powering the accessory outlets on the Murphy bed right here, which also have 5 volt USB plugs. Let's get this Murphy bed down. We're going to take out the pin latch, move the gate latch over, down, fold the cushion down, go ahead and let the Murphy bed come on down. And then for convenient storage, if you guys need a little extra room in here, you can just fit the table and the leg right underneath the mattress. Folds up nice and easy. And this table leg, it's a T-screw. You'll want that all the way out. Put it down in the floor there and twist it till it's tight. And then you can go ahead and press on the tabletop. That is okay to leave in for travel. This Murphy bed is assisted with hydraulic struts. Nothing to worry about there. They won't crush you in the middle of the night. They're not strong enough for that. They just help the Murphy bed come back up nice and easy. Down below our bench seats is all the electrical, the 12 volt batteries, which are lithium 100 amp hour batteries made by Battleborn, as well as the Ames 2500 watt inverter are down here. This is not a storage compartment, so leave the screws in and only access it if you guys have to do service. We'll move on to the cabinetry. Standard drawer glides. Down below we have your secret compartments right here. Just a nice firm press and they'll pop right on out. Moving on, we have just a standard small fridge here for you guys, and that works on 110 power only. Down here we have the stovetop burners, 700 watts each, so something to be mindful when you guys are plugged into a 15 amp outlet. You can't adapt to a 30. If you got the microwave running, you're trying to cook some things in the morning, and you're running both these burners in a coffee pot, you might trip some breakers. So just be mindful of that. Down below the sink and the stovetop, we have the water pump, water tank area, and on this side we have the water heater, which is a 4-gallon water heater from EcoTemp. The shower we've designed for you here is a quick disconnect to save on plumbing. Go ahead and pull the shower hose and just pull the collar down, firmly press it into the sink and release. You guys are good to go. Alright guys, so moving down to the shower drain. I left a board loose for you so you can remove it and clean out the P-trap if desired. Camco removable toilet with dump valve and press flush. Water pump is right on this face, right below the microwave here. The red switch, as indicated by the light, you'll know it's on. Under microwave light next to it, and the light in the shower is just a nice press light. Alright guys, so in case you get stranded or something happens, you guys left your headlights on and you guys are running something, right next to the headlight switch here to the right is this small little momentary rocker switch. This will jump the house batteries to the chassis batteries and will give you an opportunity to get on the road again. So just press and hold that until you hear an audible click, and if it doesn't, go ahead and press it again, and that will jump the house to the chassis, essentially as a jumper pack. That about wraps it up for our 2020 custom van.